OPTIMER FX. As you can see on my screen, I am on Volatility 50 index. On Volatility 50 index, I am on sell on Volatility 50 index. So on my screen now, you can see my trades are reading. My trades on Volatility 50 index are reading. So I want to show you how to trade in this manner, how to trade this way so that you can be making consistent profits. Do you understand? This is OPTIMER FX trading live on Volatility 50 index. Volatility 50 index. This is the chart. Do you understand? This is the chart. So here is my entries. Here is what my entries. I've seen it. So this is Volatility 50 index. Now I want to show you something. What you need to make this type of profitable trades. Only one indicator is what you need. You need only one indicator to make trades this way. You need only one indicator, so only MACD indicator. What you need is only MACD indicator. Do you understand? Only MACD indicator is what you need to make massive profit, the same way I am making right now. Do you understand? So let me show you how to set up the indicator. But before that, there is something I want to make very clear. Any of my strategies on OPTIMER FX channel, any of the strategies you are watching, make sure you pay attention to the time frame. Time frame matters a lot. For instance, in this case, Volatility 50 index, the time frame is 1 hour time frame, and the setup for this indicator works based on 1 hour time frame. Before I bring up any video here, I have already tested it. I have already tested it on multiple time frames and select the best. Do you understand? And do what? Select the best. So any of my strategies you are making use of, make sure you pay attention to the time frame. Make sure that you use the exact time frame I use. Do you understand? So that you will make massive profits. Do not watch a strategy on do not watch a strategy on 1 hour time frame and go on and apply it on 5 minutes time frame. You will not get the same result as I am getting. Do you understand? So time frame is very, very important whenever you are making use of my strategies. Do you understand? Whenever you are making use of my strategies, make sure that you use the accurate time frame so that you will make massive profit. As you see, I see how my profits are reading here. You can see how my profits are reading here. Do you understand? So if you want to make this type of a profit, make sure that you use the same thing I am using. Do you understand? This is OPTIMER FS. So let me go to charts and show you how exactly you can make massive profit the same way I am making right now. So this is what my chart. This is what my chart. So why am I on sale? Why am I on sale on Volatility 50 index? Why am I on sale? Now let me show you why I am on sale on Volatility 50 index. Let me show you why I am on sale. So here is my chart. I'm making use of only one indicator, MACD indicator, MACD indicator. Now this is the reason why I am on sale. If you watch at this point, you see that there is a crossing here whereby the MACD crosses from downward upward. So whenever you notice this particular crossing, that is what a clear indication. That is what a clear entry. Do you understand? So if the crossing, in this case, the crossing occur from downward, upward. So whenever you see this type of crossing, it is what a clear sell signal. Do you understand? So I am on sale because of this crossing here. I am on sale because of what? This crossing here. That's the reason why I am on sale. Do you understand? So whenever you see this type of crossing, it is what? A clear sell signal. Do you understand? So in here, look at here. Well, then in a case whereby the crossing is from up downward, that is what? A clear buy signal. Do you understand? So here now, this is what? A clear buy signal. You need to make your buy signal here. Do you understand? And this is what? Excess profit for you. So in this case, in this my own case, I am on sale. I am on sale. Do you understand? I am on sale because of what? Because of this crossing here. Because of this crossing here from downward upward. Do you understand? So because of this crossing here, I am on sale. Though I enter late, this is where I supposed to enter. I supposed to enter my sell. My sell entry supposed to be here. My sell entry supposed to be here. My sell entry supposed to be here, but I was busy. I was busy. So when I opened the chart, I saw that it has already crossed. So I entered late. I entered very late. So as you can see, I'm still on profit. This is where I made my entry. My entry is supposed to be here, but I entered late. But I'm still on what? Profit. So if you want to make this type of profit, make use of what? This particular strategy. Only MACD indicator. That's what you need to do what? Now here is what the settings for this MACD indicator. Here are what the settings. So once copy the settings down. Once you are done setting up the settings, you hit done. Now apply it the same way I apply it so that you will make consistent profit. This is Optimal FX. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video widely so that others will benefit. Thank you.